Next we've got the MR2 Owners Club. We have 3 variants here. We have this MR2 Mark 1 Sprint car. This has had various modifications done to it. It's 3 different engines. Then this very nice SW20. It's the MR2 limited edition apparently. What year is this? I'd say 96, 97 on a P. There we go, something from the brochure there. I've managed to have a go in a couple of Celikas from about this time, but not the MR2. It's something I'd like to go in. I could go in a Mark 1, MR2 and a Mark 3. I'd try an SW20 as well. This one's an MRS. Some lashes on it. I think these finished in about 2005. I drove one of these a while ago. It was a very early import to this country of 2000, first batch imported, and the original owner still has it 26 years later. That one is an MRS, so it's come from somewhere else. They are nice things, it's just the suspension's a bit firm. My camera mount didn't really like